Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. A very good day to all of you. Today we are going to make Sindhi style traditional Churi Dal, which is made with Moong Dal, the split yellow Moong Dal. Churi means grainy texture, not mushy. So very carefully this dal is cooked so that it has a nice grainy texture. It's just flavored with black pepper and salt, and maybe you can squeeze a little bit of lime juice on it. You can have it all by itself like a snack, or it is served with as an accompaniment side dish with any sweet breakfast like malpura, mitho chillo, which is sweet pancake, and malpohas, which we make in the Sindhi style. So shall we proceed to make this dal? Take moong dal 1 cup or as needed. Wash it very well few times and soak it for at least 4 to 5 hours. It doubles up in quantity. Then turmeric powder half teaspoon, salt as needed, oil 2 to 3 tablespoons, crushed black pepper quarter teaspoon, and lemon. Lemon juice is optional. Ingredients list also is shared in the description box. Now heat oil in the pan. Once it is hot, dip in the washed and soaked moong dal. It's very important to soak the dal for few hours. Now we are going to saute it a bit to remove all the excess moisture from it. This helps in keeping the texture grainy. Add the turmeric powder and salt. Just few ingredients required to make this churi dal. Again, mix well with a spatula so that the salt is mixed evenly with the dal. Friends, if you are a first time visitor, do subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. Select the all option so that you don't miss out any updates whenever I post a new video. Back to the recipe. Sauteing is done. Spread it out and add just 3 tablespoons of water. That is sufficient. When dal is soaked very well, 3 tablespoons will do. Perfect. If you don't soak it well, then the dal will remain raw, uncooked. And when you add more water, it becomes mushy. Now cover it with the lid and reduce the flame to low. Cook it for 30 seconds. Open it again and stir. It's important to stir at regular intervals so that it gets cooked evenly and dal should be spread and the grains separated. Check the salt at this stage. If required, you can add it. Now again, repeat the same process. Cover the lid and again cook it for 30 seconds more. The flame has to be very low. If you don't have a small burner, you can place the griddle tawa underneath, like we place biryani on dum. You can cook that way also. And soaking dal is very important. Remember that. Check for the doneness. I think little more to go. You have to be very gentle while stirring. Cover the lid again and cook for 30 to 40 seconds. We'll check it again, stirring it very gently. It is 90% done. At this stage it will look a bit uncooked, but you will cover it and rest it for 5 minutes. It will be done. Switch off the gas, cover the lid and let it rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid again and stir. You can see dal has puffed up little more and all the grains also are separate. Churi dal is ready. It's very simple recipe, a bit tricky. You have to cook it very, very carefully. Dal is cooked very well and the grains also are intact. Now you can dish it out and enjoy it. This is a very versatile dish. Apart from enjoying it as a snack, you can also use it as a stuffing for parathas, puris, kachoris, samosas. You can add more spices to it and use it as a filling. This dal is also made during Pitru Paksh along with other simple Satvik Bhojan. It's a very simple recipe. You should give it a try. Place some lemon wedges so that anyone who likes it tangier can squeeze out some lemon juice on it. Sprinkle lot of black pepper, crushed black pepper. This is what gives the dish its flavors. As you see, there is nothing else added to this dal. Delicious and healthy snack is ready. So friends, hope you are enjoying all my recipes. I shall soon be back with another interesting recipe. Stay tuned until then. Happy cooking. Thanks for watching this video. Do check out these recipes from the archives also.